Good morning, JF Drake Middle School. You're tuned in to WSCATS Morning Broadcast. I'm Cole.
And I'm Tamia.
And we're your morning anchors.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
And be seated for the moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for top of the morning announcements.
Top of the morning announcements are happy birthday this week to Dr. Barlow, Coach Meeks, and Miss Mason.
Today is makeup science testing for Cougars this morning at 8:30 a.m., IE book checkout day for Pumas and Jaguars, Aspire testing for the Cheetahs, Band and Choir spring trip information meeting at 6 o'clock p.m., and there will be no faculty meeting this week.
Tuesday is Special Olympics track and field tournament. The team will depart during homeroom. Aspire testing for Cheetahs, Cats Meow Book Club at 3:30, Auburn Junior High School visit at 4, Drama Club will meet from 3:30 to 5:30.
Wednesday is IE book checkout day for the Panthers, Tigers, Bobcats, and Cougars. There will also be Aspire testing for the Jaguars, the 7th grade choir rehearsal in the Panther Hall at 3:30, and Creative Writing Club in Miss Hope's class at 3:30.
Thursday is Aspire testing for Lions, school play, band practice at 3:30. Drama Club will meet from 3:30 till 5:30. Friday is no school. Happy birthday to everyone who has a birthday today, and remember, many teams, one pride.
I wonder what the daily forecast is looking like.
How about we go see on weather?
How's the weather today?
The high is 76 degrees. The low is 56 degrees. There's a 0% chance of rain, and the wind speed is 4 miles per hour. Interesting fact, the average raindrop travels at 17 miles per hour.
Time for lunch!
Sweet and sour chicken, rice,
Steamed broccoli,
mandarin oranges,
egg roll.
Strawberry yogurt.
And next morning's breakfast is mini pancakes.
Whenever 2 words will do, Mr. Ismay is certain to use 10. I'm not necessarily a man of few words, but to sum up Titanic, I just need one. Big. Mr. Ismay speaks of Titanic's luxury, her elegant lines, like a yacht for the gods, her lush appointments, her state-of-the-art mechanics, her ingenious safety features. Ismay and White Star cut no cost to build her, I assure you of that. But in most matters of handling, she's mostly just big. And my plan is to pilot her as I would any other big ship. I will go as fast as I can and as straight as I can from one point to the next until we see New York Harbor.
Hey fellow scientists, we're Taylor and you're watching T-Squared. Today's experiment is
Density Tower.
the materials you will need will be
A tall cup, a measuring cup, oil, water, honey, and dish soap. First, add your honey. Now pour in your dish soap. Slowly add in your water, which I dyed red, and let it run down the side of the cup. And do the same thing with your oil.
the science behind it.
Density is basically how much stuff is packed into a particular volume. It's a comparison between an object's mass and its volume. Remember the all-important equation, density equals mass divided by volume. Based on this equation, if the weight of something increases but the volume stays the same, the density goes up. Likewise, if the mass decreases but the volume stays the same, then the density goes down. Lighter liquids are less dense than heavier liquids, so they float on top of the heavier liquids. The same amount of two different liquids you use in the container will have different densities because they have different masses. The liquids that weigh more will sink below the liquids that weigh less.
Archaeolism. What do you think archaeolism means? Archaeolism is the awareness of the smallness of your perspective. There is much debate about whether or not archaeolism is an actual word. It and many others were made by an online dictionary dedicated to creating words that express feelings that many people have but frequently go unrecognized.
What's that song?
It was classical.
Violin. A trumpet.
Double bass. Trombone. Cymbal.